Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about the remainder theorem. Now, a remainder theorem states that if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is equal to p of c. Now, let's have an example. Let's find the remainder when the polynomial x raised to 4 plus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 is divided by the binomial x minus 1. So, let me show you how to get the remainder of a polynomial divided by a binomial without using long division or synthetic division. And we're just going to apply remainder theorem. Now, in applying remainder theorem, our first step is for us to equate our binomial by 0 and solve for the value of x. So, let's transpose negative 1 to the other side of the equation, giving us x is equal to 1. Now that we have the value of x, we will substitute our value of x to our polynomial p of x, replacing all variable x by 1. Because take note that our remainder is equal to p of c, wherein our c here is the value of k. Now, let's substitute 1 to our polynomial, giving us p of 1 is equal to 1 raised to 4 plus 3 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 minus 1. Now, let's apply the order of operation in simplifying this expression. So, let's simplify our exponent. So, 1 raised to 4 is 1 plus 3 times 1 raised to 2 is 1 plus 4 times 1 minus 1. Then, let's multiply. We have 1 plus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4 times 1 is 4 minus 1. Then, let's add and subtract from left to right. So, 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 4, 8 minus 1 is 7. So, our p of 1 is equal to 7. Now, take note that our remainder is equal to p of c. So, our remainder in this case will be equal to 7. So, our remainder is 7. Ta-da! And that will be our final answer. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.